What if I told you there's an insect that can lay thousands of eggs every single day? Meet the termite queen, the ultimate egg-laying machine in the insect world. In the next few seconds, you'll learn why she's so incredibly massive compared to other termites. The termite queen's main role is reproduction, making her abdomen expand to 10 times her original size. She can lay up to 30,000 eggs per day, ensuring her colony thrives for years. This gigantic size is essential for her 15-year egg-laying spree, supporting millions of termites. Her size and productivity are crucial for the survival and expansion of her colony.